Well, good morning. Good morning, y'all. I am out on this great Tuesday morning, up early this morning. It is only 7:01 in the morning. I got a great order, $30.98 going 14.7 miles, 3 customer drop-offs. Yeah.
I can never repay you for all you are and all you've done for me.
Good morning.
Good morning.
2421.
Are you good? One in the trunk, one in the back, one in the front?
Yes. All right, she got everything loaded, y'all. First customer is only 8 minutes away.
I couldn't thank you enough. My worship could never measure how I feel. So I'll be an offering at the potter's wheel. I give you my life. I offer my best, a sacrifice. Whatever you ask, morning and night, and every hour that shall pass, it's yours to have and hold, to mold and shape. Lord, fill this place. So fill this place. Fill this place. I am a vessel born of your clay. Lord, fill this place. I can never for all you are.
Turn right onto East Main Street.
Yeah, that had me so confused because that absolutely did not look like a duplex. It looked like a house, but there was 2 mailboxes out there. She left in the comments, the reason I went back to the other side, she left in the comments to drop it off at the back door.
You've done so much for me, so much for me. I couldn't praise you enough. My worship, it can never measure how I never.
Okay, y'all, I just got another order, $15.80 going 2 miles. Shopping for one customer, 12 items.
I have a challenge that seems impossible, or a habit that seems unbreakable, or a setback that seems inescapable. Any problem that I am not capable of solving on my own. Where
So you a smart? You be blogging while you be doing? Okay. I was like, I like that.
You smart too? Yeah, the problem is I don't want to give him this beat up box. Look at this box. Substitution.
If I have a vision that seems impossible, a desire that seems improbable, or a dream that seems unattainable, for the purpose, Lord, that you've called me to, I won't make it on my own. Where are we? Show yourself strong. Lifter of my head when I'm low. Show yourself strong. So now to him who is able to do more than I ever could hope for, I give you permission, Lord, be within me. 'Cause together we win, we win, we win, we win, we win, we win. Lord, you're more than able. We win, so we win, we win, we win, we win, we win. There is no sin that's unforgivable, no season that is unchangeable. There's no sickness that is unhealable, and no one that is unlovable. There is no sin that's unforgivable, no season that is unchangeable. There's no sickness that is unhealable, no one.
I just got another order. It is, let me go back to it, $18.07 going 6.8 miles, shopping for one customer, and I am shopping for 16 items total. Yes.
When I think about all my plans, everything I need, always want more money to spend, 'cause I got these mouths to feed. Then I think about where I've been, and I must believe that if he did it, he'll do it again. God has been too good to me. Every good and perfect thing, let's see what today may bring. For my good, for my good, it's so working. For my good, for my good, it's gonna work out. For my good, yeah. Let me tell you just how I know when.
Okay, y'all, it's been a hot minute, but I am back. Got another order. $11.38 going 4.2 miles. It is for 2 customer drop-offs. It did not have to be picked up till 1, so I am headed there now.
all, he returned it 100-fold, 'cause I held on to.
She got both of them loaded. Very, very light items. Both of them in a trunk in 2 different totes. So first customer is only 7 minutes away.
His mercy endures forever. For the Lord is good, and His mercy endures.
Y'all, God is so good. It has been so slow out here today. I just got another order. It is $40.13 going 19.6 miles. 3 customer drop-offs. It don't have to be picked up till 1:45. Let me tell y'all how good God is. So I hardly ever use my card. I done been to that house before. Never. I don't think I used my card last time. So use my card, and my card is on the seat behind me. That's where my tote is also for the next customer. Y'all, why when I was putting my buggy back behind my seat, something just say, the Lord. I glanced over, and then Ma'am's 2 gallons of milk are tied up in a bag in somebody else's tote.
To Bagwell Road.
They told me not to call the customer names on here, so I'm trying my best not to say the customer names, but ain't nowhere in the world you got that mixed up. They did not start with the same thing. And y'all know I'm going 19.5 miles, so it would have been a tragedy.
In 3/4 of a mile, arrive at your destination.
A whole tragedy to have to truck it back over here for some milk. You don't know what kind of pet peeves people have. That could be a pet peeve for somebody to not deliver your stuff. So what they gonna do? Take your tip back. That was a big tip order. So, I don't play around when it comes to these big tip orders, because I have faith and I believe that, if they are going to, take it from you, they're going to take it from you. But like tip baiting and all of that, I haven't had to experience that. And I be hoping that, I hope that I don't. But it is so important, not to think like that, but to think like, okay, customers are paying big tips, so I need to make sure that they stuff is right, because they're not gonna blame it on the loader. They're gonna blame it on you.
I don't wanna care so much, 'cause I really care too much. It's all just overwhelming, I'm just overthinking. I feel like I'm too much. Keep mistaking my anxiety for intuition, and stress keeps getting in the way of my ambition. Logically, I know I shouldn't feel this way, but my body doesn't agree with my brain. I'm looking over.
Y'all, I do believe I just accepted my last order. It is a GM order. $55.43 going 49 miles. It It is 17 drop-offs. And I don't know if y'all want me to take y'all with me on those. This like a whole nother video. But I'll put a little something up in here if I don't see you all anymore today. If the Lord's will, I will see y'all next time. And if you all want to see more videos like this, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And you all have a blessed day.
Worrying it's over before it starts. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying there's no one there who cares like I do. I really wanna feel free, but I'm worried I will lose me. Somewhere along the road, I start feeling cold, get caught up in something old and spent further down the road.